print function arguments with star. Okay, so first of all we need to call the my print body in here, just like this one, 10 and 20. And so the def my print, we should call the objects right now, just like this one, but it's a tuple type. Okay, and separation can be assigned with the what, with this one. Okay, and is new line. Okay, it's only the written formats. Okay, and so if len objects is equals to 0, which means that print and equals to the end, which means that if we don't have any print value in here, just like this one, and so we need to take the print value in here. Okay, so we should return this function in an empty space, and so we should give the new line at this case. But if this is not the case, object in objects, this is a tuple, and so double dot -1, and after that we need to print to what, the object and sep. Okay, so the print objects -1 and end is equals to the end. Okay, and so if I run this code, and then we will have the 10 and 20 values in here. Okay, because we give the parameters 10 and 20, and so if this the len of the object is not equals to the 0, and so this code is returned in here. Otherwise we return the whole process just like this one. Okay, so any question about this function? Okay, so we will have the one more operator in here, 12, and so the print function arguments with star star. Okay, and therefore a, b, and star star c. Okay, and so the print a is equals to this one, b is equals to this one, and c is equals to this one. Okay, and so the format a, b, c can be assigned like this one, and so we can call the foo function in here. B is equals to 10, a is equals to the 20. Okay, and also, but in this case we will have the empty space in here. In the 2-star operator we can assign the new variables xx 30, yy 40. Okay, and so if we rerun this code, and then we will have this kind of properties in here. Just see that this xx is new variable, or the new arguments, which is defined in what, in this function, and the yy is the defined is the new function in here, but in the what, in the dictionary type. See, xx keyword, yy keyword, and so this is value, and this is also the another value in here. Okay, see. Any question about the 2-star operator? Okay, and so we can pass the every arguments in here just like this one, the 50, b, 60, cc, 70. Okay, the c, AA, BB, CC can be assigned in here. Okay, any question? So if there's no question, and then we will have to what, to this one. We will continue with another arguments, star star and star operator. Therefore A, B, star C, D is equal to 100 and star E. Okay, and so we can print the what the whole values. A is equals to what this one, B is equals to what this one, C is equals to what this one, and D is equals to what this one, E equals to this one. Okay, and so the format A, B, C, D, E for 10, 20, 30, 40, XX 50, YY 60. Okay, and so if I rerun this code, and then we will have the C is a star just like this one, A and B assigned to this value 10 and 20, and after that C star is a tuple value 30 and 40 is assigned to what, to this one, and D is 100 in here, which means that we have the default arguments just like this one, and so the XX and YY is assigned to what, 50 and 60 value. Okay, so we can combine what the star and double star operator in here, and so we can do this, because if we have the star just like this one, and so we have to what, to this one. I'm sorry guys, there's an important matter in here, but the internship committee is I just waiting in here. Okay, okay guys, I'm sorry for the delay. So if there's no question, we will create a special example about this one, week 62.py. Okay, so in this case we define the student list in here. Okay, so the import random import pandas spd from faker import faker, but I think since this is not the import case, and so we remove this example. I just need to take the another topics in here. Okay, I'm sorry guys, there's another problem in here. We will cancel this lesson today. I'm sorry about that.